Hello and welcome to Optimizer's YouTube channel, your online marketing expert. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 best SEO tips for locksmiths with Optimizer, your local online marketing expert. That means that no longer can you rely on word of mouth or advertisements to bring in customers. You need to be online and you need to rank well on search engines like Google. Here are the 10 best SEO tips for locksmiths. 1. Optimize your website for mobile users. Make sure your website is optimized for small screens and responsive to touch. 2. Optimize your pages with proper titles and meta descriptions. 3. Build quality backlinks from trusted sites. The more quality backlinks your site has, the better it will rank. One great way to get backlinks is to create content that your target audience will find helpful and link to. 4. Take advantage of local listings. 5. Submit your site to local directories. 6. Focus on building quality, unique content on your website. When it comes to SEO, one of the most important things your locksmith website needs is high-quality links from other authority pages on the web, or backlinks. Getting links like this takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end when you start seeing more traffic coming to your site. 7. Optimize your images. Include a brief description of the image in the alt attribute. This is a great place to include more keywords related to locksmith services. 8. Ensure that you're using local search keywords. 9. Take advantage of video marketing. Include an explainer video on your homepage to give people a quick overview of your business and what you do. 10. Optimize your locksmith GMB to skyrocket your ranking. Use NAP, name, address, phone, to ensure that your GMB listings are all linked back to the same website. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that demands consistent attention and adaptation to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Ready to take your locksmith business to new heights? Contact us today. I know you still have questions on your mind. Check out more of our videos to learn valuable tips, tricks, and strategies for enhancing your business's online presence.